Hello friends, welcome. So today we are learning BGC 131 Individual and Society. Let's get started. So there are 4 blocks in one book. So we are reading block number 1. Block number 1 की first unit, animal rights. So this is unit number 1, animal rights. ये structure है कि इसमें हमें क्या क्या मतलब पढ़ने को मिलेगा, like objectives, reading comprehension, extract from animal form, etc. ये सब पढ़ लेना बाद में. Then objectives, मतलब आफ्टर लर्निंग दिस चैप्टर हम ये इस चीज में एबल हो जाएंगे, यानी आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द यूनिट यू शुड बी एबल टू रीड सिंपल नरेटिव्स पैसेजेस विद अंडरस्टैंडिंग, distinguish between words having related meanings, observe the rules of concord with verbs be, do and have, write a short composition presenting your views and supporting them with facts. Reading comprehension and extract from animal farm. Study guide. The aim of this section is help to you read with understanding and expand your vocabulary. You should first read the whole passage silently and rapidly to get the main point. Then you should read it again carefully and at a slower pace to get all the details. You should try to guess the meaning of difficult and unfamiliar words from the context. If for some reason you still cannot understand the meaning, then you may consult a dictionary. Passage for reading from George Orwell, Animal Farm. Mr. Jonas on the manor farm had locked the hen house for the night, but was too drunk to remember to shut the pop holes with the ring of the light from his lantern dancing from side to side. The maid made his way up to bed, where Mrs. Jonas was already snoring. As soon as the light in the bedroom went out, there was a stirring and a fluttering all through the farm buildings. Word had gone round during the day an old major, the prize middle white boar, had a strange dream the previous night and wished to communicate to the other animals. In and been agreed that should all meet with Big Barn as soon as Mrs. Jonas was safely out the way. All the animals were now present except Moses, the tame raven, who slept on the perch behind the back door. When Major saw they had all made themselves comfortable and were waiting attentively, the cleared his throat and began. You have heard already about the strange dream that I had last night, but I will come to the dream later. I have something else to say first. I do not think that I shall be with you for many months longer, and before I die, I feel it my duty to pass on you with such wisdom as I have acquired. I have a long life. I have had much time for thoughts as I lay alone in my stall, and I am may say that I understand the nature of life on this earth as well as an animal now living. It is about this that I wish to speak to you. Fourth point. Now, what is the nature of this life of ours? Let us face it. Our lives are laborious and short. We are born, we are given just so much food as will keep the breath in our bodies, and those of us who are capable of it are forced to work for the last atom of strength. And the very instant that our usefulness had come to end, we are slaughtered with cruelty. But this is simply part of the order of nature. It is because this land of ours is so poor that we cannot afford a decent life. To those who dwell upon it, no, 1,000 times no. This single farm of our world support a comfort and dignity that are now almost beyond our imagining. Why then do we continue in this miserable condition? Because nearly the whole of the produce of our labors is stolen from by human beings, is the answer to all our problems. It's summed up in a single word: man is the only real enemy we have. Remove man from the scene, and the root cause of hunger, overwork, is abolished forever. Man is the only creature that consumes without our labor tills the soil, our drug fertilized, and yet there is not one of us that owns more than his bare skin. Like all. जो आप पढ़ लेना वीडियो रोक के अभी. We go to the next part. It is not crystal clear then that all the evils of his life of ours spring from the from of human beings. Only get rid of man and the produce of labor would be our own. Almost overnight we could become a rich through the overthrow of the human race. That is my message to comrades. I do not know when that rebel will come. It might be in a week or 100 years, but I know as surely as I see this straw beneath my feet, and the sooner or later justice will be done. Fix your eyes on that throughout the short remainders of our life, and above all, pass on this message, mind those who come after you, so that future generations shall carry on the struggle until it victorious. And point 8. And remember, your resolution must never falter. No argument must lead you astray. Never listen when they tell man and animals have a common interest, that prosperity of other. It all lies. Man serves the interest of no creature except himself. And among us animals, let their perfect unity, perfect comradeship. All men are enemies. All animals are comrades. मतलब इस चैप्टर में था कि ह्यूमन बीइंग ही ईवल होता है अपना, एंड एनिमल्स आर परफेक्ट यूनिटी, परफेक्ट कमांडरशिप. मतलब एनिमल्स में यूनिटी अच्छी होती है, कमांडरशिप अच्छी होती है, लेकिन मैन सिर्फ अपने लिए ही काम करता है. मतलब आदमी सिर्फ अपने लिए ही काम करता है, जो भी करता है वो. पूरे चैप्टर में यही था. एक बार आप वीडियो दोबारा देख के रीड आउट कर लेना. और ये ऑथर के बारे में लिखा है, नोट ऑन द ऑथर. जॉर्ज ओवेल was the pen name of Eric Arthur Blair, और 50 में born हुए थे शायद. English novelist and essayist who was born in India. इंडिया में हुए थे born. He is known for a novels of which Animal Farm 1941 is one. ये इनकी one of novel है. It is an allegory of the Russian Revolution. ये पूरा ऑथर के बारे में लिखा है. Now एक compression questions जो हमने अभी पढ़ा ही उसी के रिलेटेड है सारे क्वेश्चन. जैसे कि वाई वॉज द रिंग ऑफ लाइट फ्रॉम मिस्टर जोनस लैडर डांसिंग फ्रॉम साइड टू साइड. इसका आंसर भी इधर ही है. अभी हम इसको बाद में चेकआउट करेंगे, पहले पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ लेते हैं. ये रहा क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. हाउ इज मैन डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. और जो हमने पढ़ा था, क्योंकि एनिमल्स में यूनिटी होती है, मैन सारे सेल्फिश होते हैं, यही है. Does Major despises man as selfish, greedy, a weakling, mean, the lord of all animals, or cruel? Selfish बताया इसमें मैन को. और ये 8 क्वेश्चन अगर आप वीडियो को दोबारा रिपीट पे देखोगे तो आपको सबके आंसर भी आ जाएंगे. और अगर आपको अलग इसके आंसर चाहिए तो कमेंट करो, मैं इसका आंसर भी दे दूँगी. ये रहे क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 तक है. देन इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे, कवर करेंगे. That is it for today. Thank you for watching. और if you have any query तो आप मुझे कमेंट में बता सकते हैं. मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में उसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करूँगी. एंड या हम रोज़ मतलब मैं ट्राई करूँगी कि रोज़ 4-5 चैप्टर्स कवर कर हो जाए एक दिन में, तो मतलब चैनल पे वीडियोस डेली आती रहेंगी 4 से 5। तो स्टे कनेक्टेड विद अस, सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर वीडियोस, ऐसे ही कनेक्टेड रहो।